Welcome to our daily movement session. Let's begin. Curl the biceps. Shift your weight from side to side as you bring your leg up. Head up high, shoulders back. Let's move with real intention as we wake up our bodies. We're embracing change today. Change in seasons, changes in our bodies. Things are getting very dark here in Finland very quickly. We're going to embrace that change. And if I may take care of a bit of housekeeping, if you're on YouTube, we're going to change platforms. We're over on School for our daily sessions. This will be the last one I post on YouTube for several days. There'll only be 2 workouts on YouTube going forward. We've chosen this School platform because there's fewer distractions, no ads, better communication, and it's a thriving community that belongs to us. If you'd like to join, there's a link in the description. You're most welcome. It is free. It will stay free to you forever if you join now. If you're on School and you want to throw a comment on YouTube on this video, just to inspire others to join, let them know just how wonderful it is, that would be brilliant. All right, let's begin to just twist the bodies ever so gently. Just squat down a tiny bit. Let the arms flow. We're building strength this entire month. Every time we sink just a little bit, we're building strength in our legs. Every time we show up, we're building resilience. Mental strength. As we embrace this change of platforms, of seasons, of what our body can or can't do, maybe if we change the way we look at things, the things we'll look at will change. Thank you, Wayne Dyer, for that quote. It's not just a silly play on words, it's so true. Rather than aging being about decline, what about we're actually gaining more resilience, more wisdom, more strength in other ways. But that being said, we can still build strength as we age. Our muscles know no age. We keep showing up, moving with intention, believing that we can still be strong well into our hundreds. We absolutely will be. Oh, okay. Hopefully we're a little bit warmer. Let's build some mobility, strength, balance. This can look very differently for each of us, but try to make it a nice dynamic move as you warm up. If you can touch the toe, wonderful. Move around your space, but do it in a real present way. If I'm not present, I'm going in the sea. There it is. Yes, dopamine, serotonin released. The feel-good chemicals when we move our bodies. We show up every day. Mood will get boosted. Energy will be elevated. And maybe Drew will end up in the sea. Start to twist a little further back. Bring the arm back. Head up high. Feel that strength you possess. All that wisdom that you have accumulated over the years. We don't age with decline. Absolutely not. We're not declining. We're only getting stronger, wiser, better. Would we really want to go back to our 20s? I love that 20-year-old self of mine, but man, he was confused, made a lot of bad choices. Shake it out. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Head up high, shoulders back. Feel it. Feel that energy inside of you. Feel all that strength and power you possess. Oh, glory, glory. Okay, now let's work hard. This looks differently again for each of us. You modify to best of your abilities, do the move to the best of your abilities. Just a reverse lunge. Again, head up high. Bring the arms up as high as you can. We're building strength in the legs, amazing mobility and strength in the upper body. I think I should move a little bit more like this so I don't end up going in the sea. And maybe this you get a little bit further down all the time. Maybe the knee starts to come close to touching the ground. Maybe you're not there yet. Let's always emphasize the yet. I'm not done getting stronger yet. Just do your best. Just love moving. Love aging. It's a mindset. Oh, one of my most favorite books. And the first thing she talks about in aging is mindset and the power of our minds. So there we go. We change the way we look at things. The things we look at change. Let's look at aging as awesome. Last one here. Oh, how does that feel? Give yourself a little hug. Just balls of the feet again. We get up on the balls of the feet. Instantly we engage the core. We're building that great core stability. Hugging ourselves. Tell yourself how much you love. Oh, yes, you are wonderful. I know it. Okay. This is kind of fun. Arms come up, swing down. Back up to the other side. When you come to the middle, we go back up. And slowly but surely, begin to bend your back just a little bit more. So you're hinging at the hips. Whoa. Come up nice and high. Feel that strength, the power. When you come down, maybe you get to a flat back. Bend the knees generously and just flow here. Feel it in your arms. We look to the sky, mobility in the neck. Oh, come on. Maybe say a little prayer when you get up to whatever resonates with you. Some gratitude for these beautiful bodies that we honor every day by showing up. Recognizing the impermanence of it rather than worrying about body image. Oh, this body won't last. But there's something deeper inside of me that will. Whew. All right, Drew. Take it easy. Last one. Just hold it here for a moment. Hold it, look up. Oh, gain your balance. Real strong position. Oh, let the hands float down. Oh, how wonderful. Whew. Okay, now step forward, bend down, and you're gonna curl the arms across your body. Step back, opposite arm comes on top, and then get real big. I like to think of this as like we're doing our posing, like my 6-year-old would. Look at my muscles, Dad. So just move here in whatever way works for you. Make a fist when you come, building that great grip strength, building strength in our biceps so we can carry our groceries, do the things we love, not because we want to be bodybuilders. Bend your knees when you come down, sink as low as you can, strengthen our lower back, the upper back when we squeeze real tight. Feel it when you come back. Stand there for a second. You are so powerful. Embrace the change. My body is changing. Especially when we get to middle age. My goodness. Lots of changes happen. Nope, it's happening because I'm wiser. How about embracing those changes as just a life well lived? Some of those bumps and things that maybe society says aren't so beautiful. What do we look at it as absolute beauty? That's just because I've lived well. Last one here. Hold it down here for a second. Feel it. Flex those biceps. Yeah, I am strong. Shake that out. Just bounce around for a little bit. Ooh, I feel amazing. God bless you. Let's go. Consistency. It really is what matters most. We're going to build strength day in and day out. We just keep showing up for ourselves. The smallest movements matter. So let's just stick with this balancing exercise. This is the one we'll do for this week. Week 2, we'll add a little more intensity to it. We'll pick it up a little bit, but once we've mastered this, then it'll be no problem. So again, pick a spot, give it laser-like attention, or close your eyes. Most slips and falls happen in the nighttime as we age. So when we start to practice things with our eyes closed, it helps us with proprioception, knowing where we are in our space. It's going to help us to avoid slips and falls. I am not going to close my eyes right now. Definitely not. You can hold your leg up for a little higher, longer if you like. Just do you. Engage the core, shoulders back, head up high. Breathe into the movement. Oh, it's great to move. It's great to age. Last one. Let's just hold it for a moment. As long as you can, just be. If you stumble and you fall, good. Just say good. Oh, I got more practice to do. How fortunate am I? There's nowhere to get to. Just enjoy the journey. Oh, we've done it again. How amazing are we? Continue with the inspiring comments. I appreciate it. You can see that others do too. We are creating something really special here. Let's keep it going. One-pointed awareness. Physical strength is amazing. Of course we want that. Mental strength, the ability to pay attention, not get distracted. How incredible. I think that taps into something a little bit bigger too. Pick a spot. Can you see one of the birds out there? There's a couple still. Just give it 30 seconds. Let's just be. Every time the mind wanders, oh, you notice, and bring your attention back to that one spot. Let's go. Yes. Thank you for being here. One other thing, this is just anecdotal. I don't know there's a lot of science behind this, but I have read that by that focused attention, when you laser-like attention, it does help with eyesight. It actually strengthens the eyes to possibly repair some vision damage. Yeah, I don't know for sure about that, but hey, if we think it'll work and it's gonna make our eyes stronger, it'll work. Just go with it. We change the way we look at things, the things we look at change. I am truly grateful for you. I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Let's keep it going. Goodbye.